Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you have a car that has some sticky buttons? Well, I've seen on a few of the Jaguar forums that I'm part of that people have mentioned sticky buttons. And I would imagine this will happen on a variety of cars. So I thought I'd post a little video about cleaning the buttons. And they basically just get sticky from the oils on your fingers. Maybe you've grabbed a pop, a coffee, you've had a small snack, and then you think, you've wiped your hands with a napkin and you think it's clean, but there's still some little residual that gets onto all the buttons in your car that over time builds up and just becomes a little bit of an annoyance. Well, do you want to get them back to factory? We're going to show you what we've done here today, or what we're using, I should say, and hopefully it'll be able to help you out. So I'm around here and show you our buttons here. Now mine are actually in a pretty good shape across the board, but we've heard as I mentioned, a number of people actually talking about it. Now, I did do a little test run, and these bottom buttons have already been done versus, the top buttons that get used on a fairly regular basis. And that's even just from setting your hand down here when the selector comes up. It's a great spot to put your hand while you're driving, so you'll get some of the oils and stickiness there. Now, if you notice up close, they're actually not bad, but we're going to give it a try. Now, what we're actually going to use, we have a couple of things. We're using some Kirkland face towels. Now, these are the makeup remover towels. You can see it says cleanse skin and removes makeup. So I've just taken that from my wife, a couple of Q-tips in case I need them, and a microfiber cloth. Now you want to test, as we did, a little area, but basically it's a very straightforward procedure. Simply take the wipe, give it a good cleaning. And then what I found worked nicely was you take the microfiber cloth and just give it a good wipe. And when you do that, now you go back and you touch the buttons, and you'll notice that stickiness is gone. Nice, easy, simple solution. That'll work for the buttons on your steering wheel as well. And I don't know if you can actually tell this, but this side we have not actually done yet. So you can just see they're in pretty good shape, but you can just notice a little bit of buildup versus this side has actually been done very quickly. We're going to give it another pass, and much smoother compared to, just a little bit of stickiness that you feel there. So I hope that this will help you if you're having this issue. A number of people have, in the different forums, have actually responded that they've used various makeup removers. We thought we would try it, and we've just used the Kirkland brand themselves in order to do this. If you like the video, please click the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we'll try to bring you some little detailing and car tips along with car reviews and other automotive and RV style reviews through the channel. Thanks, and take care.